Smash! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going back to the EF again, and today we're working on doing the rear disc conversion. So with this conversion, a lot of the stuff on it is new. It's been a long drawn out process. Well, I say long drawn out. I've been working on the rear disc for a couple weeks, but it's only because of the fact that I had to wait on some parts, and then I think I've got everything now, and hopefully be able to finish this job up and be able to bring this video to you guys. There's a little chipmunk that just came up over here, and I don't know where he's at. There he is. So I got the original drums off of this car, and I think I had clips of that. Alright, so I pretty much got this side on now. Still got to tighten up like this bolt here and this bolt here. But I didn't really want to tighten those up just yet because I'm about to put the coilovers on it. But that pretty much, I've got the Integra brake line on here, and I still got to get the emergency brake cables. I don't have them yet, so that's one of the reasons I'm holding out on putting this video out. So I got to wait till I get those in. But yeah, got it all bolted up, the trailing arm bushing, and I got this bolt in. So you can see that bolt's still loose. I gotta take it back out to do the coilover, but the brake line on. These brake lines didn't come down like some I've seen. It wouldn't go on if I had put it through the bottom, but it mates up good right there and bolts onto the bracket here. So, yeah, I guess now we're gonna work on getting this side over here done. And but it's pretty much the same process as doing it like we did on this side. Anyway, so we have rear disc trailing arms. I put new trailing arm bushings in here. We also have some new toe links. All right. We also got new hubs, new rotors, new pads, new calipers, which you can see that's starting to a little surface rust there too, huh? And then e-brake cables. So e-brake cables was a major holdup on this. Anyways, I got the new cables and went to put them on and realized that I didn't have a little bracket that mounts in here that holds the cable. So I had to order those, and now I've got those from Honda over there. They're actually in my box now. So I've got those, and we also got the new brake hoses here. Literally everything here is new with the exception of the actual knuckle, or the trailing arm itself. So like I said, we got new trailing arm bushings, the new e-brake cables, toe links, the brake hose, the caliper, the rotor, the pads, and the hub. So I had all this down because I'm redoing the racket pinion and rebuilding it. So I've almost got it ready to go back in. Just got a few more seals to put in. I've already replaced all these. It was leaking a little bit, and it's just it's hard to find one of these right now. So this car's getting some age on it, so some stuff like that's getting harder to find. All right, so on the bottom side here with the DC cables, it does bolt on here. I was not able to use this bracket here because the cable is a little bit too short to make that jump there, but it does have, this bracket does bolt on, and the same for this side. There's still plenty of of slack in the cable. So, and this one does have the bracket here. I pulled off the boots that are on the factory DC cables. I pulled off that boot and then put the DC cables through the EF boot so that it all bolts up like it did from the factory here. And then gotta put the exhaust shield back on, so I'm gonna bolt it back on and cover all this. And then yeah, I've got all this down, doing the rack and pinion rebuild. So once the rack and pinion rebuild's done, it's pretty much done. Yeah. I cleaned the exhaust shield up real good and put it back on there too. This car is nice and I'm trying to keep it that way, you know what I mean? So I guess I'm gonna lower it down and go ahead and try to put this into the cables, all the little brackets and stuff on there. I'll just show you what I'm talking about with that. So the little bracket that holds the cable, I got new bolts, the little pins, the clips for them. Let's see, that's the little thing for the pin, you know, the little keepers. New pins, new bolts, all straight from the Honda dealership. So I got all those parts installed on for the brake line, so that's good to go. Got the, look, it's even got the original shield, protects all of it. How many rear disc conversions do you see that still have this cover, the shield? Not many. At least I don't ever see many come through here. But anyways, I got all that on, and now I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and this side will be done. And I just gotta button up the other side, and then go to the inside and put all the cables onto the parking brake handle, and the rear disc conversion pretty much be done. All right, so I got the little center console back in here. I've still got to mount this passenger seat down, but you got this back in, got the screws in here. Probably gonna make them little L brackets or something to hold this down, because previously this was bolted to the auto shifter with little screws right here on the side. So maybe I can make a little L bracket to hold that kind of down. Just, I don't know, just little stuff that I would like to do to make it appear and function more as factory. And obviously we need to get a 5-speed shift boot and put in here, but I may look and see if the parts diagram has a bracket for this. I'm not sure. We'll see. Still got to hook the steering linkage back up. I have the rack and pinion done and back in it, but all the e-brake is done and it works, so pretty happy about that. Anyways, gotta call it a night and go to work. Tomorrow I should be taking this thing to get alignment, and hopefully it'll be done for the most part tomorrow. I'll try to make up some little L brackets or something to mount this shifter, or the console trim piece, to get it just where it fits a little bit better. Maybe do that tomorrow after I get done with everything else. But I'm just glad to be wrapping up this project and getting it back to the owner, Ben. I know he's really excited to have it back too. And yeah, so it's coming together, and hopefully we'll be done with it soon. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you on another episode soon. Make sure you like the video, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. See you. Bye.